Hi Birthday Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a simple one-tier birthday cake. If it's your birthday today, I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Before we get started, I wanted to show you something I made to celebrate along with this birthday cake to make it extra special. So ready? Hope this works. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it worked! Yay! It's facing the right way. There it is. I drew this, there it is. I drew this little kissing emoji on this balloon and just to make it extra special. So hope you guys like how it turned out. If you like this balloon and you want to make one too, all you need is a Sharpie and a helium balloon. So have your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper, and let's get started. To draw this birthday cake, we're going to first start by drawing a very slight curve for the top of our cake. So come on right here, just a very slight curve, about this wide. And then I'm going to start to bring it down for the drizzle of the cream. So about right here, bring it down on both sides. And I'm going to start to bring it in. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wiggle up and down all the way across. So right here, just go up, come down more right here. So just change it up, sometimes a little bit bigger, shorter. Another one here, and we're just gonna bring it across all the way. Bigger one here, back up, and another one right here, and just curve it back in. So then from there, we're just going to bring a straight line down. So you want to come in a little bit right here so that the cream looks like it's overlapping the cake part. And we're just going to draw a straight line down on both sides. Nice and simple. So just bring this down however high you want to make your cake. So I'm just making this a one-tier cake. Oh, let's see here. About maybe that much, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line all the way across. There. Now we're going to come in here and we're going to draw the plate. So I'm going to make the plate really simple. Instead of drawing an oval, we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve right here. These ovals are a little more difficult to draw. I'm just going to draw a curve like that on both sides and go ahead and connect it with another straight line all the way across. There. Now we have our cake in basically. Now let's come in here. We're going to add some candles. So I'm going to add 3 candles, and I'm going to come to the center first and draw the first one. So it's right in the center. And I'm basically just going to draw 3 rectangles. So first one, I'm going to come to the side. I'm going to make this one shorter, just to change it up. It's all up to you what kind of candles you want to put, or how many. Add 3 up here. And I'm going to come in here and just give it some curves, some stripes, just to give it some volume, and then you can add different colors to your candle if you want. So maybe 3 on that one. Then to draw the flame, let's come up on each one. We're just going to draw the wick, so a little line, then come up, and it's kind of like drawing a leaf. So you're going to go up and come down, up and down. So same thing right here, up, come down. And if you want, you can come in here a smaller one, just for the center of the flame. Okay, so then now let's bring this, I almost forgot, one more layer at the bottom. Let's draw some cream right here as well. So I'm going to come right here and just go bunch of curves all the way across and pop it out a little bit. And basically just going to do this all the way across to decorate our base. Nice and simple cake. So hopefully you guys have loved all the cakes I've drawn over the years at Draw So Cute. And I finally decided I needed to make one a little bit simpler, so that's why this is just a one-tier simple little cake. So then let's come back here and bring our cake to life, of course, right? We're gonna come in here and bring a big circle for the eyes. So about right here, just gonna draw one big circle. So same thing on the other side. There. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with a circle for a highlight and another slightly smaller curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. There, we have our eyes in. Now let's come up right here. We're just going to draw a slight curve on top of each eye. And of course our little smile. So I'm going to come right in the center and draw a curve that slightly goes up a little bit. Cap it off. And let's make it really happy. So I'm just going to add a deep curve and then a little tongue right here. And I think I'll just go ahead and shade this in black, make it simpler to color. And let's see here. Let's add some circles for some sprinkles. All up to you what you want to add on top here. But here and there, I'll just add some circles. To decorate our top of our cake here. There. Now that is pretty much it for this cute little cake, but if you want to make it extra special and sweet, I'm going to put some hands right here so it's holding a balloon. So I'm going to come right here and just add a curve that comes out, and I'm going to draw, basically just darken up an oval, and then right here I'm going to draw a balloon. So I'll come up, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a straight line down into the hand. And then this part right here, I'm just going to wiggle a little bit for the bottom of the string. And then let's draw our balloon. So I'm going to come about right here. Kind of draw like a little triangle almost with an open end. And then right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. So I'm going to pop out a big old balloon. There. Now let's give it a little highlight right here. And of course, I'm going to have to add a heart right here, right? So I'm going to add a big heart right here in the center of our balloon. And then on this hand, let's come to the other side right here. I'm going to have this hand holding a little gift. So just darken that, and then right here in the hand I'm just going to draw a little box, very tiny little box with a lid and then a little bow. So that's pretty much it for this cake drawing. Now to color it with some colored pencils. So there, hope you guys love this cute little cake and my little balloon right here. In case you're wondering when my birthday is, it's December 14th. So if you have the same birthday as me, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this little cake and my balloon right here, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and remember to subscribe. See you later.